Is China fueling America's fentanyl crisis to weaken us? The 2025 death toll is skyrocketing, and trade deals might be why. Stick around, this is life or death. Hey truth seekers, before we dive into today's expose, hit that like button. It takes 5 seconds and fuels our fight to question everything. Not subscribed? Join the Q Everything crew and tap the bell for raw, unfiltered truths. Stick with us to the end, I promise it's worth your time. Let's cut to the chase. Fentanyl overdoses hit 100,000 deaths in 2025, per CDC data. X is raging with claims that China's supplying the raw materials, yet the US isn't cracking down. Why? Trade. A leaked State Department memo suggests Biden's team is soft-pedaling to keep China happy. Your loved ones are dying, and geopolitics might be the reason. Here's the breakdown: 90% of fentanyl precursors come from Chinese labs, per a 2025 DEA report. Cartels mix it, but the source is clear. Ex-users are sharing videos of border seizures, pounds of this stuff flooding in. Yet, sanctions on Chinese suppliers? Barely a slap. Meanwhile, US-China trade hit $700 billion this year. Coincidence? You tell me. Think it's just street drugs? Wrong. Fentanyls and counterfeit pills, killing kids who think they're taking Tylenol. A 2025 study found 1 in 4 fake prescriptions laced with it. Families are posting heartbreaking stories on X, teens gone overnight. The government knows, but action's stalled. Why protect trade over lives? This hits everyone. Rural towns, suburbs, cities, fentanyl doesn't discriminate. If it hasn't touched your circle yet, it could tomorrow. And the silence from DC? That's complicity. A whistleblower claims trade talks prioritize semiconductors over stopping this poison. Profits over people. What can you do? First, educate yourself. Check X for raw stories from affected families. Second, demand accountability. Call out reps who dodge this issue. Third, share this video. Raise hell until leaders prioritize lives over deals. If we don't, the body count keeps climbing. This is a war on American lives, and we're losing. That's the truth they're hiding, but we're not done yet. If this hit you hard, smash that like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Q Everything. Tap the bell to stay in the fight for truth. Drop a comment: what's the biggest lie you're questioning?